Good morning, students. So in our last class we have discussed about some of the concepts of arithmetic progression. In that one we have discussed about sum of n terms of an 80. Today let us solve some of the problems based on this. Find the sum of first 40 positive integers which are divisible by 6. So we have to find the sum of the first 40 positive integers which are divisible by 6. So we have to find sum up to 40 terms. Let us write which are the integers which are divisible by 6. 6, 12, 18, 24, etc. So these are the integers which are divisible by 6. So here in this arithmetic progression the value of a is 6 and the common difference is 12 minus 6 is 12 minus 6 is 6, and we have to find the sum up to 40 terms. So Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d is the formula to find the sum of the n terms of an arithmetic progression. Let us write this formula and substitute the values. So in the place of n you substitute 40, and in the place of n you substitute 40 divided by 2 into the value of a is 6 because the first term is 6, plus we have to find the sum of the first 40 positive integers. That's why in the place of n you substitute 40 minus 1, the value of d is 6. So S40 is equal to 220 is 40 into 6 into 2 is 12 plus 40 minus 1 is 39 into 6. Then S40 is equal to 20 into 12 plus 39 into 6 is 234. Then you add 234 and 12, you will get 246. Therefore 20 into 246 is equal to 4920. So this is how we can calculate the sum of the 40 terms which are divisible by 6. So students, this is how we can calculate the sum of the terms if the numbers which are divisible by 5, 6, 4 like this. We can calculate up to particular number of integers. Okay, let us move to next sum. Find the sum of the first 15 multiples of 8. So we have to find the sum of 15 multiples of 8. So let us write which are the 15 multiples of 8. So in the solution let us write which are the multiples of 8. 8, 16, 32, 24, 32, etc. The last number which is the multiple of 8 is 120. So because 15 is 120. So this is the 15th multiple of 8. That's why the 15th multiple of 8 is 120. So this is the last term. So we got the last term because if you write 8, 6, 16, 24, 32, etc. like this, here particularly given 15 multiples. You have to take 15 multiples. So 15 multiples means these are the multiples of 8. So if you multiply 15 and 8, so 8 15 is 120. So we have to find the sum of the first 15 multiples of 8. So we have to find Sn. So in this problem the data given is a is equal to 8 and d is equal to 8 because the common difference is 8 because the multiples of 8, and the last term L is equal to 120. So 120 is the last term of this arithmetic progression. So which formula we have to use, because already here the first term is given and the last term is given and particularly 15 multiples are given. So we have to find sum up to 15 multiples. So it is very easy. So you use a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to an. So here it is given, so a plus n minus 1 into the common difference is 8 is equal to 120. So 8 plus 8n minus 8 is equal to 120. So 8n is equal to 120. n is equal to 8 by 120. Therefore n is equal to 15. So this is the step. You can skip this step directly, or for the verification purpose we can use this step, because already 15 terms are given. So 15, we have to find the sum up to 15 terms. So you use the value of a and the value of d and the value of the last term. So therefore, so Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l. So S15 is equal to, you substitute here, so 15 multiples. So you have to use the sum, you have to find the sum up to 15 multiples divided by 2. The value of a is 8, and this 120th term is 15th multiple. So this means n is nothing but 15 and l is nothing but 120. So 120 is the last term of this arithmetic progression. So instead of using this calculation, you can use directly this formula, Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l. So for the verification purpose, you can use this a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to an. Therefore S15 is equal to, in the place of n is 15 and 2, and the value of a is 8. Here it is given, the value of a is 8, and the last term is 150. Let us simplify. Therefore S15 is equal to 15 divided by 2 into the value of a is 8 plus 120 is 128. Let us divide this 120 by 2. So 2 6 is 12, 2 4 is 18. Therefore 15 into 64 is equal to 916. So this is the sum of 15 terms of the multiples of 8. So if you write the multiples of 8 up to 15 terms, then what you will get? You will get the sum up to, you will get the sum 960.